Let's learn Hilchot Teshuvah, Shir number 27. The Rambam teaches us in Perik Zayin from Hilchot Teshuvah that you shouldn't think that if you sinned and now you're doing Teshuvah, so you less than someone that was always a tzaddik. Al yedame adam baal Teshuvah, someone that's a baal Teshuvah, shouldn't think that shehu meruchok, that is far away, is in a distance, mi ma'alas atzadikim, from the degree of the tzadikim who never sinned, was always righteous and tzadikim. Mipnei ha'avonos, because of the avonos v'chatois she'asa. Eina davar kein, says the Rambam, it's not true. Ela ahuv is beloved, v'nechmod, and HaKadosh Baruch Hu desires him, HaKadosh Baruch Hu wants him. Lifnei habayre ke'ilu loy chatam olam. The same like he never sinned. Veloy oid. And not only that HaKadosh Baruch Hu treats us when we do tshuva like we never did avera. Elo shescharoi harbe. He gets schar, and he gets paid from HaKadosh Baruch Hu, and gets reward much more than the tzaddikim. Why? Explains the Rambam. Sharei ta'am ta'am achet. He had the taste of chet, and he knows how easy it is to do the sin, and he knows how it sometimes could be comfortable, it could be tasty, it could be very, it's easy and it's gishmak to do it. Ve'piresh mimenu, and he left the aveira that he did. He stopped doing it. Ve'chavash yitzroi. He has the passion, and he conquers the passion that he has, and he's koivesh es yitzroi, and he does not do the aveira. Amru chachamim, says the Rambam, brings down the Gemara in Brachas Lamed Amud Beis. Makom she'baalei Teshuvah oimdim, the degree that the baalei Teshuvah stand and come in front of Hashem. Ein tzadikim gemurim yecholim lamod. The old tzadikim, that's tzadikim b'shleimus, and perfect tzadikim, could not stand and could not come to the degree of this baalei Teshuvah. Kaloimar, explains the Rambam, what Chazal mean to tell us. Ma'alasan gdoila, the maile, the degree of the baalei Teshuvah is more, bigger and greater than ma'alas eilu shelo chotu me'olam, from the maile, the degree from those who never sinned. Mipnei, why? The explanation is shehin koifshin yitzram yoyser mehem. They conquer the passion more than someone that never did avera. Someone, he grew up holy, he grew up tzaddik, a kadosh. He had never a feeling even, an itch to do something bad. Everything was very easy. It went easy to be a tzaddik and to stay a tzaddik. But someone that did mistakes, he went in a wrong way, and now he did teshuvah. He knows what means to be bad. He knows how sometimes it could be also gishmak, and he's leaving it, and that madrega is more than every madrega that you have. The Rambam explains that also brings to the Geula, and he says another lashon in the Rambam, in Halacha Vav. Gedoyla Teshuvah. Teshuvah is so great, shemekoreves es ha'adam lashchina. It makes us close to the Shechina. V'shene'emar Shuva Yisrael, when you will return Yisrael, ad Hashem Elokecha, till so close till HaKadosh Baruch Hu. V'ne'emar v'leishavtem, you didn't. When the pasuk is complaining on Am Yisrael that we didn't do Teshuvah, the words that the pasuk uses is, why didn't you return to me? Till me, or die, till me, Ne'um Hashem. Im Toshav Yisrael, Ne'um Hashem, Eilai Toshav, you're coming back to me. Kaloimar, explains the Rambam. Im Tachzer b'Teshuvah, if you will return and do Teshuvah, be Seidbach, you will connect to the Shechina, you will connect to HaKadosh Baruch Hu. Teshuvah mekareves as a rechoikim, it makes close the ones that was very far. Emesh, yesterday, Oyozeh, Sanui lifnei hamokim. He was hated by HaKadosh Baruch Hu, in front of HaKadosh Baruch Hu, because the Averas that he did, he was meshukatz. It's like far away. It's ichs. You don't want to see him. You don't want to stand next to him. Meruchak, far away. V'sayeva, disgrace. V'hayoim, today, when he decided to do tshuva, he's doing tshuva. U'ahuv, is beloved. V'nechmad, desired. Like Kadosh Baruch Hu wants him. He's karov, he's close. V'yadid, and a friend. That's when the minute of deciding of doing tshuva from Sanui meshukatz meruchak to'eva, we change into Ahuv Nechmad Korev and Yadid. close and a friend and beloved. And it says the same lashon. He brings down psukim and chazalim that there was the shyness that how close we become to HaKadosh Baruch Hu, and the Rambam continues on, and it's so me'ule meilas tshuva. It's such a big meila, the degree emesh oyos. Yesterday he was muvdal, he was separate from Hashem Elokei Yisrael. He says the avoyin leisechem, the sins are you mavdilim. There was bringing a mechitza. We are far away from HaKadosh Baruch Hu. Tzayek, he cries. HaKadosh Baruch Hu ve'eino inane is not answered. Kisarbu tefila einani shomea. Even if you pray and pray a lot, einani shomea, HaKadosh Baruch Hu doesn't hear our tefillas. Tzayek ve'eino inane. Oysa mitzvahs. Even if he does mitzvahs, they throw it back in his face. They dump it back in his face. If a Rasha is doing mitzvahs, mi bikesh zois miyatrim. Where's from you, Remois Chatzerot? I come to my Chatzar to Beis Hamikdash and say over. I don't want you. HaKadosh Baruch Hu saying to the Choyte, Ve'hayoim, and today that he did Teshuvah, Hu medubak b'shchina, is connected to the Shchina. Ve'atem atveikim b'Hashem Elokeichem, Chayim kulchem hayoim, Itzayek, he cries, Ve'na'anem yad, and he's answered immediately. Ve'oyoterem yikrou, even before they start calling, he's only crying, okay, Ave'ani ene, Oysa mitzvahs, when he does mitzvahs, kablim oysa, HaKadosh Baruch Hu accepts his mitzvahs, benachas uvesimcha, ki kvar ratza leikim es ma'asecha, ve'lo yoidal shem is'avinem. HaKadosh Baruch Hu wants him, and he wants to be close to the Baal Teshuvah. That's the matter from Teshuvah, what we could be mekabel, like the Rambam teaches us.